Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with our next video. Okay, yes, guys, so this is going to be a series of vlogs coming your way. Yeah. So I want to put things that come and never see it. We'll probably see it a little bit late, but we'll never see it. But anyways, guys, so right now today is Easter Monday. Yes, and it's time for me to pack.
Back up.
Yes. I'll explain more as I think it goes along. I'll be traveling for a bit, and I have to pack. I am not planning to come back empty-handed, so I'm trying to get rid of some of the things that I have here that I can't wear anymore. So I want to donate those that can't fit me anymore, and those that are old, I time for them dash away. Yep. So we're gonna start that out. Plus we have some other things to do for me to get ready. I'm gonna take you along with that process. I gotta pack. I gotta empty my suitcase because it's full of things, and put them with the rightful things. And a lot of things are going. I gotta take a COVID test. Gotta get my things done. Stay tuned for that vlog. That's gonna be separate.
Yes.
And just beer niceness.
And niceness over here, so.
And it's time for us to get into the video. Let's go. Alright, so these are freshly washed clothes. I'm gonna go through these first, and then of course we have the drawers. I'm gonna go through as well. I had started taking out some of the clothes already. I'm gonna kind of separate those into the piles of giveaway and keep, and throw away. And yeah, so we're gonna get started soon. I wish I had crab.
Oh, yeah, Paco.
Alright, so we gotta decide what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna give away versus what I'm gonna throw away. And yeah, keep too, because I wanna have clothes to come back to as well.
Exactly. Can't just go buy new.
Yes, so I'ma just start off with this.
What?
I'm gonna throw this away.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
So we're gonna have throw away.
So me a pile out. So this is throw away.
Throw away.
What is this?
I think I got baptized in that.
Jesus!
I did.
Hallelujah! Don't you get baptized in this? I want to throw it away.
What am I to keep it for memories? It can't fit me. And the last time I went, mommy cussed me, said the bottom part stretch out.
The really stretch.
Yeah. I have the Holy Spirit in me.
Plus the foot them kind of ballet.
Yeah, my Holy Spirit in me. That's fine. Him there with me always. Alright, this is a give up. This is a true. Yeah, that's your pile,
Big old hole in there, something you want.
Alright, guys. So over here, so when I go so I dash way. I think I probably do the donate over this side. So left to right, right to left, and see what I go on. So I'm gonna probably speed this up. Yeah. Really, Orain? That's not. You can give up my clothes.
So why you hold and band that for?
This nigga.
People, she have this from she in a grade
My
6.
mother gave it to me.
From she in a grade 6.
No, I think when I was in high school.
7. Grade 7, I stand corrected. See a lie, no? I mean, never know you went in a grade 7.
So, what did I have to do with clothes?
Look on the frock.
Nothing wrong with it, just not good for sleeping now.
Look here, people.
Like this wash out.
Watch it.
Let's see.
Me a scandal you. Should put him back in the jar.
My drugs. Guys, so this is the drunk draw. Yeah, I need to do some good editings for this video.
The junk jar.
Yes, so this shit.
Alright, so this got to go.
Yeah, I don't got that phone no more.
Which phone that there one? SF?
Yeah, I had this SM for the longest time. I think these are the S7 cases. I had that for the longest time. String out piece of cotton. Come on. This now, makeup sponges. They come in handy. I'm gonna start doing installation in future, guys. If you don't know, now you know. I make and sell wigs, and I'm gonna start installing them. Check out my page at the Wig Factor. Shameless plug. Yeah. Anyhow, like I bought these emojis years ago. This shit ain't good. These things pop off like in no time.
Yeah, them pop off easily.
Yeah, but they're cute. I don't know who gonna want them. I remember miking them up, some of them. That boy put anything with him out when he was younger. He probably still does.
Alright guys, and we're back. So this is the throwaway pile. As you can see, it look awful. That's right, this is Shadeka. What that running it?
I need to put it on my sweater back. I don't want to forget it's so tight around me. So
okay, and that is the giveaway pile.
Yeah, I have some more things already.
So the giveaway pile is small.
I have some things already pre-planned already to give away in the room, for the other room.
And we are charged up some things that we'll find at the jar. See what treasures we can find.
I'm gonna do these drawers.
Now we're going to that jar here.
Alright. These two drawers. Let me do this. Alright, what in this?
Yes, people, Shadeka, she barely do any work, and I look upon her.
That shows that I got a lot of work done. I'm gonna do.
Sit down and take out a couple clothes out of the drawer.
Ooh.
I'm tired already.
Alright, so I'm do these next.
I see one for dash way. See that?
Come on, how many things them now, sir?
I want the for
Stop move. Some things for weird in the yard.
That's for that. I read something for dash way.
No, but I want to eat something nice and comfortable.
Eat bleach out.
It don't bleach out. Go and listen to mommy. These are for dash.
You don't listen to mommy. I have eyes. Yeah, that's really perfectly good shots.
No,
and I keep bleach out shirt.
See the shots, Orain.
Let me see the shots.
I'm not scared of myself.
Alright, let me pause the video, people. Because I want to see the shots. What should I show you? Show me the shots. Alright, me pause this time. Me pause it for. Yeah, people, we couldn't show no that, guys. Like
that's me, Orain. You showed.
We couldn't show that.
Yeah, this gonna have to go to. It's just tight.
What?
It's tight. The material is better, but it's tight, man.
Yeah, that's sure that it bleach out.
Them too tight, man. We can't deal with the squeeze up life.
So the dasher pile I get big.
We can't deal with the squeeze up life anymore, man.
And the giveaway pile is so tiny.
I said I had more already. And
that shirt then a bit.
Which shirt? This?
That red shirt there.
Leave me things them alone.
Is it the bleach out?
It don't bleach out.
It no bleach out, it bleach out.
No, it don't bleach out. Give me this.
Give me this. Let go off of the bleach.
Move now.
Give me the bleach out shirt.
Come out.
Give me the bleach out shirt.
Trouble bad.
But bleach. That for that way.
No, I'm tight and I'm close to nobody not seeing it. Nobody not seeing it.
Who cares?
Who seen
you
it?
know it is there.
Sure, I'm close. They make it go down the drawer. No, this is a dasher. All them tight, man. You can't deal with this. I'm not picking. Don't lie to me, girl. Turn it round.
Another one for the giveaway pile. Woo!
This can still wear. We can wear this. It's not bad.
That one is nice.
Yeah, that one is not
Light
bad.
shots. See it nice?
Alright, so they make you pack up, man.
Tell her for dasher.
Oh, this after dasher.
She know one dasher.
This after dasher.
That after dasher is. Jesus. That big one. I never the foot that.
I wore it last week.
I never the foot that. Where it go wear? You dead?
In the house.
Oh
God, I had a meeting with the girls and I eat them there.
Jesus.
Well, thank God for Zoom. You can't know what going underneath.
May I tell you?
You know what going underneath the table.
Zoom is a blessing.
This in this.
I have them two different dashers. Yeah, hold on.
What my things am I going to put them up in my drawer?
You're a hoarder.
How is this
Why
hoarding?
you keep them two wash out one?
Because I'm going to wear them.
Where them go wear?
So I'll put on the hanger. And this can go in the drawer.
Where is it? When I come back it missing. Don't ask me for it. This need for that go.
No.
This.
No, I'm going to give it away. It's kind of tight. Okay. Why this need for that shirt?
Let you.
No, I'm not give it that one there, not that one.
Alright guys, so see our next giveaway pile here. Why is that wig there? It's giveaway something?
No, one of my older wig that I practice for Kenro.
Okay.
Pan. If you put it one side.
I really practice.
Move and go. They don't look bad. Yeah, some of them for that shirt like them here. But
yeah, pink one
they made for that shirt, but these are like giveaway because they can't fit me anymore. They're still good quality.
I need to put some. Alright guys, so the new dasher pile here. Yeah, this is new dash away pile. And them here are the giveaway. Giveaways are growing. So the giveaways.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I wanted to start this day before it gets any later. I've been tied up trying to finish orders, one specifically before I leave. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a shower, probably eat, and just get into probably doing a time lapse of what we're going to do. So these are just some of the clothes that I've decided to throw away. I'm going to put that up back. But I'm going to throw away. I'm going to put it in this candle bag actually. Then I'm going to start with the two suitcases that I'll be carrying. This and that. I have clothes and stuff in there, so I'm just going to empty them out. The clothes that are good that I'm going to give away, I'm going to separate them and put them to one side and get them ready to, probably go to their new homes. Those are kind of separated for somebody already, so the rest is to give to somebody else. And I think I have more suitcase up here so that I can probably want to carry probably one more with, but every time I come on this, I be looking a mess, but like it's Wednesday now. I never really intended this to be a weekly vlog. Yeah, I never intended this to be like a weekly vlog, but it kind of is looking like it's gonna be that. I'm just kind of showing the process of me getting ready, and things have been, I don't want to say chaotic, but it's been a little bit much. So I have an order that I have to get done now. It has been a problematic one because the hair had been already worked on by somebody else, and that's just mean more work for me and trouble and problem. Anyways, I have to get my things together, so I'm getting my wigs together because when I see the events then I need to get myself together as well, and I need to wash my hair. I may have to stay up late and start pulling it out and wash it because Thursday, Friday I'm doing road and Saturday I'm doing the ear, so I have to get myself together, guys. So make I just kind of bring so the hairs them now. I would love to wipe up my suitcase because yeah, I need to just dust out a little bit, and yeah, hopefully I can do that as well as wash my hair for the rest of today. So these are just two of my wigs. I think I'm going to wear this when I'm leaving. No, nothing. I'm going to wear this when I'm leaving. This is my mama's wig actually. So yeah, I'm just getting everything together. Okay guys, I'm back. Always looking a mess. Yeah, I pull up my hair because I'm gonna have to start getting it together before I leave. But before I leave, I'm finally going to make these soap. I want to know if we're actually gonna like it, so in the end of it I can actually buy more when I'm overseas. We've been planning to make this since I bought this, which was years ago. That's so sad.
2019.
And we finally bought this in Christmas, so we're gonna make them tonight because I'm running out of time. I'm about to leave, and I want to, yeah, I have things to do on the road tomorrow and Friday, so let's just get into this. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. So this is, I think it's 2 pounds of goat milk. This is my soap mold. Like guys, I got everything, just didn't do it. Soap mold. We have scents. I'm gonna boil it down into, well, melt it. It's built on pouring this. And I think I'm gonna use honey as well, pure honey, which is up here. We're gonna use some of it. So I'm only use 1 cube for tonight because we only have 4 molds, and I think that's, yeah, if I use 2 it's gonna take up too much. So probably tomorrow we can try the other half. So I'm just gonna get into this.
I just rinse it out, come in and know how they...
No, wash it, man, wash it. Like slow, like softly wash it. Like just kind of follow with little soap and something because it's been there for so long. I want it washed good.
When I see why we get like 2 same things, we couldn't do it like 4 different type of mold.
Oh. That was the best one that I saw when I bought it.
You're sure we're not gonna like grease it up? Like gonna be a cake or something?
Not to my knowledge.
You have to spray alcohol in it?
Oh my freaking god, babe, what's happening? It's like it's, yeah, but it's like things are around it. The fuck?
Sure, you know
see, look, it's like things are around it. Like, yeah. Yeah.
In the plastic?
There was more plastic still on the individual. Yes, but apparently there's some wrapping it individually as well.
Just crump up together.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not gonna see the thing there. You're not gonna see that.
I'm gonna need something to cut it on.
Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, these are the
the pour base, the melt and pour soap base.
Yeah, so this is it.
It's goat milk.
Water in there, we'll put this in there.
Kind of catch right in, yeah.
Yeah, so kind of, so we don't want the bowl or capsize.
Yeah, it's
oh, in the hole.
Oh, the hole came out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put this inside of this. Like just like this?
It's steam.
And then the steam will melt it up and we'll stir it. Why I stir it with?
It's a view. But just mix it up as it pour down.
Yes guys, this is it. Not even
so pretty.
It's not even 3 minutes.
It's not even a minute to go there. By the time I turn back I eat this. Little face spoon. It's so pretty. Oh god, why didn't I not do this sooner? It's so pretty and fun.
Melt down.
You look like a piece of soap bar them. You know when your soap are done?
And you clump them together.
Boy, so it favor when your soap are done. Jeez, I check 1 bag of them. So it's a people you know what to do when you soap them. See when your soap are done, you know what to do. The top part, melt it over together. You get 1 easy soap farm quick.
Where send the people them good?
Yeah man, and you see cause some of my soap them when you use multicolor, you create 1 new color altogether.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, people gonna look for the glass.
Yeah, we need to find a bowl and mix the scent with them. Very not nice. So okay. We got 2 bowls. One we're gonna do with the goat milk and honey. The other one is gonna do with the what you call it? The scent. Ooh, damn. Alright. A tube soap. Oh, what a tick bomba! That tick my body said tick.
There you go.
Even it out, tick.
This look more than 2.
More than 2, huh?
2
soap.
Yeah.
Well,
this look kind of 6-ish.
6? We will see.
You will see.
Yeah, we will see. God knows what we're gonna do with the rest. Boy, something I forgot to do. It have to go melt again if anything.
It and then scoop it out.
It have to go melt again. Alright guys, let's set it up. Let's go. We gotta work fast. So we're gonna put like 1 tablespoon of honey. That's like a tablespoon.
Don't lie to the people.
It's like a tablespoon. Or you full up the something and stop being frightened now.
When ants dry away.
You see my move people, watch it. Stingy with the good riches.
When the ants them come feel.
Oh, we can do one proper design pan top, you know. Alright, cool. So yeah, do that. Mix it round, man. And then you see, when you put the pan top in the mold, you drizzle.
And I eat.
You drizzle. Or you know, look how they can't do nothing.
May the good Lord help you.
I know I can't see the tubes are brown in it. Because something white like pussy milk said we.
You know, drink it.
Alright, so guys, we'll get back to you. Alright, so I'm about to make some drippy drops.
No, come out.
You?
Right.
Really oriented, backside.
You see the old man.
Jesus Christ, or you don't start with me. Go do this some open it.
You see the old man say, it's sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky nasty. Extra. Alright, wait, which two you gonna do? You gonna do this? You gonna do these two as the oatmeal, or you gonna do one at each?
No man, they are face soap is what?
Yeah, so them two can be the face soap and this are the bathing soap because they may look bigger. Alright, ready, pour it.
Stop blowing up me now.
Pour. Shh. No, pour it.
I'm not pouring up now. It not gonna rise, Shadeka. It not gonna rise and a cake can bake.
No, man, say what have too much base.
But me did tell you.
What we gonna do with it?
That's your way.
God, if me didn't know, I'd buy more. They may lie. My calls don't do me right. They may lie.
I told you.
Jesus Christ, we don't have no more.
You want to get an ice tray? You have no loose ice tray?
Yeah, but them they're too small.
It don't matter. Orain, rub by your face.
Orain, the thing about it, you know, the ice tray not gonna be as easy to get them out like a silicone tray or something like this.
Well, think of something fast.
Put them in them two here.
I like
we can do. Orain, you're gonna still have the problem with this having leftover, so might as well just finish it. Orain, listen. It takes an hour to set. So what we can do is put that in the fridge and I rethaw it and set it a morning.
My ears lock off when you say when we are gonna reset the two of them.
No, or not, you know that doesn't make sense. Let's just reset the other ones. I can melt the other one in the morning. That's all.
You're unfair.
I'm not unfair, but be realistic.
No, I don't have a realistic bone in my body.
Alright, I'm just turning it out nice.
Realistic.
Tap up the oats on all of them. Can sprinkle the oats on top too to make it get that scrubby body scent. I mean scrubby body feel. Yeah man.
Come on for the something, no mess.
Yeah, look pretty.
Get the alcohol.
Yeah.
Air bubble.
So we're just told to spray the alcohol on top to get rid of the air bubbles. Wow, it does work.
Let me do it, man. Sure.
I know what also I was told? Hold this. Take it and slap it. Like slowly. No, like from. Alright. Like squeeze the bottom.
So?
Yeah. She's scared, don't it? Yeah, I don't want to break it either. Alright. I'm gonna try to figure this out. I'm gonna try to figure this out, guys. Okay, guys, so actually got one out and it's beautiful. So we can get the details. Ooh, look at that. So what Orain did was put it in the freezer and that's what set it off. So I guess if we have some molding like this, that's what we have to do. So we can we can melt the other one. It came out so easy. Wow. That was a trick. Yeah.
Came out this one though.
I guess the ridges. Okay, so that's the trick. You gotta put it in the freezer.
Boom!
Alright, so guys, we'll have one more bowl. As you see, we're going to just, let me carry over there. So we're just going to melt it. As I guess it started.
It's not tough.
Oh, you can see little sponging going. There's like a cast form at the top here. So we're going to just remelt this and have it poured. Awesome. Okay. So we can have the sauce being made before the day. Alright guys, so it's the next day and the soaps came out great. I definitely have to show you, or I would have shown you, I don't know, but either way, I'm going on the road today. Today is Thursday, so I have some last minute things to get ready, and then tomorrow I'll have to do the COVID test. So I'm trying to get most of the things done today. So I'm going to have to go to about 2 banks to start out some things I started before, and I am going to actually get my lash done. I'm going to show a little of that in the vlog, but I wanted to do a separate vlog, like a maintenance vlog, so I may or may not show that full process if I get to even record it. So I'm gonna just take you on the road a little bit. It's just me, myself, and my foot today, so I'll record what I can. Blurry now, guys. So I got through with some of the things at the bank. I had to leave one. I was told I'll probably get a call back, so hopefully that comes through, but I'm pretty early to my appointment now, so I said I'm not sure what I'm going to show in this video, but I'm most definitely going to vlog what I can. So I'm early. I'm going to wait a bit and show you guys how in there looks, either in this vlog or the next. Morning. I wish we were going. Hello. Morning. Let's stand up right here, or I go to the front. No, there's nobody here.
Oh, never gonna do away express your package, you know. Do away express. I'm gonna send you something because I look like I'm so looking here in my pocket.
I just need to.
Yeah, for real.
Alright guys, I hope you can hear us. So we're actually in court now. I didn't give you an update, so here's the lashes. Damn.
Them can't see it, so go close.
These are lashes.
She want to look like me.
And as you would have seen, I just did my COVID test as well. I was stopped at Tasties to get some food. We're heading back home, but we're waiting a bit for a ride, and we're in court now. Just, eye shopping, window shopping.
Yeah, we're at the taxi.
Yeah. Wait, see some more here? Is this a queen? Yeah. The prices look better. How it feel? How it feel? Good? 60 something to me, I can't afford it. 90 something to no, I cannot afford it. How much for this? Oh, this one queen?
Huh?
That queen this? 43 to how much? Let me show before we come out. I'll come out and in there. I'm supposed to call? Alright guys, so we're definitely back at the house. We've eaten and the time is, so I can get the time for you. Alright, so the time is 12:50, and I definitely want to pack my suitcase now. I just checked in, and because it's COVID time, definitely have to verify all these information, like vaccinated, negative COVID test. I had to upload all of that and check in as well, so I did that. So I'm about to pack my bag, and then I'm about to style the wig that I'll be wearing, and of course, look what Ori's up to. Yeah. Alright, anyway, so this heifer be all changing positions. I can't even show y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna pack my suitcase. He was supposed to help, but I guess not. Guys, my suitcase empty. Let me see if I can even show you. Suitcase is empty. Like honestly, I don't want to offer a lot of things. I'm honestly planning to, as I go up there, I buy some of the things that I'll be needing when I'm up there. But of course, I need at least you know, a day or two worth. So I am going to pack some more. I'm going in the other room to do that. Alright, so we need some clothes on me can wear. Alright guys, so I'm at a point where like I really don't know what to freaking do. My suitcase is empty. Like I had to fight and put things in it, and I have another suitcase that like has nothing in it. I pretty much just putting in like my wig stuff in there because you know I gotta have my hair with me at all times. So the mannequin head and whatever else should take up a little bit of space, but it's still empty. I'm like wondering what am I for do. Yeah, but I saw like I said, guys, suitcase empty. This is a shame. Like yeah, them kind of empty still. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the other one. So but I think I'm gonna have more things to come back with. So I have a lot of suitcase, so I don't really think it's necessary for me to like buy a next one. So I'ma just, when I'm finished with the wig that I'm about to style, I'll just, you know, finish packing up those things and just call it a day. I'm gonna put that into that and just call it a night. Yeah, right. Yes. But the dead serious, I'm now walk with all the things. So yeah, I'm a style this unit, you know, kind of fix the top of course and just curl it and just sort her out. Yeah, man. So she's good to go tomorrow.